And now let's see how to work this separation section. It will be these rows. And here on the screen below, I will add information how much yarn you need for separation sections if you work exactly the same blanket like I did. For the separation section, grab any color yarn you like. I will use this variegated yarn, slip stitch, and standing center single crochet. And this row will be all back loop single crochet. The same yarn for all these rows. For separation section we will be using the same yarn. I chose variegated so it looks more interesting. Slip knot and standing center single crochet. So row 2 of our separation section will be all back loop single crochet again. Row 3 of our separation section, the same yarn, standing center single crochet, and for this row we work very simple. 1 front loop double crochet, 1 back loop single crochet, and like this we will repeat the entire row. 1 front loop double crochet, 1 back loop single crochet. And after you complete all repeats, the last stitch will be front loop double crochet and then edge stitch. So every second stitch, front loop double crochet, back loop single crochet. Row 4 of our separation section will be again all back loop single crochet. Row 5 using the same yarn, standing center single crochet, first stitch will be back loop single crochet, followed by front loop double crochet, and like this till the end of the row. Back loop single crochet, front loop double crochet. So we are working double crochet stitches here into the gaps between these two double crochet. Row 6 of our separation section. This row again will be just back loop single crochet all across. So one back loop single crochet into every stitch. And row 7 of our separation section, we will repeat row 3 of this design. So standing center single crochet, front loop double crochet, 2 rows below, and back loop single crochet. And repeat like this till the end of the row. 1 front loop double crochet, 1 back loop single crochet. Again, as you see, front loop double crochet are just in between these double crochet.